Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a simple program using the OS module, os.abort. So before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Okay, thank you very much for doing that, supporting the channel. So first of all, we're just going to import the OS module, and then we're going to import the time module. Now we're just going to create a simple function called simple program. It's basically just going to be a loop, that's all, and we're going to break out of the loop. We're going to abort the program. So for, let's say, x in range of, let's say, 1 to 100, if x is equal to 20, when it's doing this count, it gets equal to 20, which it will, we're going to pause it for a second. Time dot sleep. This is so the program doesn't run away with itself, because it will execute very fast. Okay, then we're going to do the os.abort, and this will abort the current running process. And then all we're going to do is print x. Okay, let's call the program in a minute. This is simple program. Let's just save it and let's just run it, shall we? Here we go. Okay, right, okay, so what it's done, it's got to 19 and it's got to 20 there, so it's slept for 1 second and then it's aborted. That's it, we've finished the program now, so it's aborted when it's got to that. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick little program there for you, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.